Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Wind chill warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time Sunday. What? For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 45 below zero. For the winter weather advisory, blowing snow. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Kidder, Sheridan, Wells, Foster, and Stutzman counties. When? For the wind chill warning, until noon Central Standard Time Sunday. For the winter weather advisory, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. The following impacts are expected: widespread blowing snow. Near blizzard conditions are possible at times in open country. Additional details: life-threatening wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Use caution while traveling, especially in open areas. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Keep pets indoors as much as possible.
This has been a test.